Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Julia here again for Puhunan Power. And with me today is Miss Katrina Evera. So, how will we address you today?
I can be addressed as Kate po.
Kate. Okay. So, Kate, tell me more about this your business. Kailan po ba kayo nagsimula? How did it happen?
So first, I would like to welcome you here in Amadeo Hidden Paradise. So we're
Thank you so
located
much.
here at Amadeo, Purok 7. So, ang Amadeo po ay nagsimula with my mother. So, my mom is Victoria Evora. So, she and her friends or one of my closest titos, Tito Levi Capule, has started this business. So, this business, itong camping, glamping na ito ay nagsimula noong 2021. So, 2021, around the peak of the pandemic. Itong Amadeo, nag-start siya as a sort of inspiration, knowing that madaming halaman. So, nung nakita namin to, wala pa talagang potential siya. Since ito ay hidden paradise nga, medyo palusong. When we purchased the land, naisip namin, ano kaya magandang itayo dito? So, nung peak of the pandemic, iniisip there was COVID restrictions. So, iniisip namin how can families still be together without those restrictions. And one of the opportunities na pumasok sa amin ay, what if we have a specialized care? Yung care na yon nakakater ng families. So, itong lugar na 'to is secluded siya. So, hindi siya magiging problem when COVID started kasi
Mhm.
ang makakasalamuha mo lang talaga dito ay family mo lang. And when you book the area, ayan, nandito na lahat ng resources. So, merong places where you can enjoy. And then, itong lugar na 'to, nag-start siya around 2021 where on June doon kami nag-start mag-launch. So, around June 26, triny naming magkaroon ng soft launching. So, doon yung first ever posting namin
Mhm.
after all of the maintenance, after all of the paganda of the area. So, doon namin siya sinoff launch. Pero, wala pa talaga kaming plan since ang plan sana is July,
Mhm.
yung hard launch sana, which is yung birth month namin ng mami ko. Para medyo special
Yes.
siya. So, around that time, June 26, may nagpa-book. So, doon kami na, pwede na kaya kaming mag-entertain. So, medyo kabado kami nun. But, we took the risk and after June 26, sunod-sunod na yung mga guest namin. So, it was a good sign pa rin sa amin na okay naman yung business. So, nag-start siya as okay. Yung June 26 na guest na yun, biglaan lang din talaga siya. So, dun kami nag-start na, okay, we can see the potential. So, etong business, ito yung parang one of the first here in Amadeo. Nagsunod na lang yung mga katabi naming businesses. So, no, magkaibigan naman kami mga business here since, ayun. Pero kami yung one of the first. So, nagkaroon ng inspiration din yung ibang businesses to have their own glamping type of resort. So, ganun. Ganun kami nagsimula.
Wow, that is an amazing way to start. Siyempre, nung time na pandemic, everybody was, having a hard time, 'di ba? Paano sila magbobonding ng family,
Yes.
tapos at the same time stress ka na ano ba 'yan? Wala tayong masyadong
Mm-mm.
parang yung moment mismo ng pandemic is puro hardships eh.
Yes.
So we all always needed something na pumunta tayo dito, just relax, breathe in, take in the fresh air. So this is a really amazing idea that you guys have started. So paano naman, or how much was your starting capital so that to
Mm-mm.
build this beautiful place?
Including the purchasing sa lupa.
Mhm.
Lupa kasi right now, medyo mahal.
Mhm.
So, nag increase ng value every year.
Mhm.
So, nung nag-start kami, pandemic nun, medyo nagkaroon ng slight decrease since nga medyo pandemic,
Mhm.
nagkakabentahan ng
Yes.
lupa, ng needs. So, in total, kasama na siguro with the renovations, around 300 yung naging estimate namin. Yun yung starting sana na puhunan.
Mhm.
However, since hindi kami satisfied. So, want kasi namin was to improve yung mga facilities namin, which includes yung mga kabana here sa likod at
Mhm.
saka yung kasita at front.
Yes.
Kaya, ang naging puhunan in total, nearly 500,000. Though included naman na yun lahat. Medyo magastos for, medyo magastos sa iba siguro it won't, hindi siya practical siguro since a starting business. But kami kasi, when we see the potential, we believe in it. So
Mhm.
parang ilalaan namin yung mga resources namin to make this a great business.
Mhm.
Kaya, eto siya ngayon. Yung, ano, hindi naman siya high maintenance. So,
Mhm.
yung nearly 500,000 na yun, ano na siya, parang yung mainstay na na budget. So, dun po.
So, paano naman po yung sa pagma-market nyo? How did you manage to market your business out?
Mm-mm.
Ano ba yung strategy na ginamit nyo?
Mm-mm.
Like a little bit of tips para sa mga
Mm-mm.
viewers natin.
Yung mom ko kasi, she was from a reservation agency. So, dati nag-work din siya with gantong types of businesses. Pero mga larger scale naman.
Mhm.
So, it was good na may background din siya sa ganon. But, hindi naman siya required, like magkaroon ng background since nag-change naman yung times.
Mhm.
So, right now, kasama yung mga generation ko, mahilig tayo with social media.
Yes, that
So,
is true.
one of the key talaga right now para lang pumatok ang isang business
Mhm.
is to use social media to its finest potential.
Mhm.
Kaya nung nag-start kami, nag-try kami mag-post sa Facebook, and then we also had a Instagram account. So, doon kami nagpo-post ng mga pictures. And kapag magsa-start kasi ng gantong type of business na hindi kilala pa,
Mhm.
like hindi pa siya sa palette ng lahat, kailangan responsive ka.
Mhm.
So, siguro a tip for those young entrepreneurs na magsa-start with businesses, kailangan consistent. So,
Yes.
consistent with the responses since yun din yung inaabangan namin before. Hindi talaga kami nagtatry na bumaba yung response rate namin sa clientele namin. So, kailangan persuasive din kami sa consumers, sa customers, and still, nandun pa rin yung 100% honesty and transparency when it comes to customers since ayaw namin na pagdating nung time, sasabihin nila, ay maganda lang sa picture. Madalas namin siya naririnig na, ay maganda lang yung iba sa picture, but
Mhm.
it's not the same with Amadeo kasi yung iba, sabi nila, ng mga customers namin, maganda lang siya sa picture, pero pagdating nila dito, mas maganda pa pala. So,
Mhm.
yun yung isa na natutuwa kaming pakinggan na mas maganda siya sa picture.
Mhm.
So, ayun. Yun yung isang namin mga tips po.
Wow. So, paano naman sa pagme-maintain? Mahirap pa siyang
Mm.
i-maintain. How do you manage? Like, how many people have you started with sa beginning?
Yung tito po, nung nag-start kami, meron kaming dalawang stay out. Naglilinis lang talaga alongside with us, ako, si tito, si mommy, kami po yung nagma-manage ng business. So, kami yung naglilinis. So, before kasi, until now pa rin naman, yung check-in time namin was 12 noon. And then yung check-out time namin was 2 p.m.
Mhm.
So, if magkasunod yung guest, kailangan medyo
Mabilis.
mabilis. Kaya medyo
Yes.
kailangan namin mag-work faster.
Mhm.
Pero hindi naman po siya high maintenance when it comes to cost.
Mhm.
Kasi here right now, ang kasama po namin is dalawa lang pong helper. So, nagme-maintain po kami ng mga halaman,
Mhm.
nagme-maintain kami ng yung mga kahoy here.
Mhm.
Kasi kailangan din siyang mine-maintain para
Yes.
ma-retain yung ganda niya. So, hindi naman siya magastos in a sense. Hindi rin siya ma-maintenance
Mhm.
since kailangan lang po namin is yung consistency when it comes to paglilinis at saka sa halaman since yung halaman natin para siyang, although sa Filipino terms, para siyang nakikisama. So,
Mhm.
pag hindi mo siya inaalagaan, may tendency magtatampo sila. So,
Mhm.
kailangan
Yes.
pinapansin din natin sila, inaalagaan. So,
Yes.
ito pa naman yung one of the prio here in Amadeo na kailangan feel talaga ng customers na intact sila with nature. So,
Mhm.
yun yung gusto namin ding ipadama. So, isa din sa part ng maintenance namin is yung mga halaman.
Mhm.
So, ayun. Pero, yung na-mention kanina na budget, siguro magsa-start lang sa malaki, pero at the end, siguro if maintaining, wala, konti lang po yung problem or yung kailangan igastos, i-maintain when it's all ano na, established.
Wow, that is great. So, ano po naman yung mission or vision ng company niyo?
Yung one of our visions and missions is to provide siguro world-class care. Siguro hindi naman world-class, pero
But it's a good start,
yes,
right? That
opo.
aspiration makes us believe that we can do
Mm-mm.
more rather than just limiting yourself na,
Mm.
just Philippine class. No, world
Mm.
class is
Yeah,
good. It's a good start.
medyo mataas na po yung pangarap.
Yes,
Pero
of
yung
course.
gusto po namin talaga is to achieve yung quality care para sa aming mga customers since want po talaga namin ma-feel nila na at home sila. Like this could be their second home. So want namin ma-feel nila yung quality of care, yung service na ginagawa po namin sa kanila is for up for most quality talaga. And then one of the part of yung mission namin is to give jobs sa mga kailangan na people. So, syempre kailangan look forward din natin yung mga ates and helpers natin. So, para magkaroon din sila ng trabaho. So, it's a win-win situation din naman. Makakatulong tayo sa iba. Yung customers natin, makaka-feel din ng family here. And if one of the, for me po, one of the key points kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng established business is if we have care and love sa customers natin since sila rin yung bumubuhay sa mga business natin. So, if nadadama nila na nakikare tayo sa kanila, it would not be a problem anymore. Like, babalik at babalik sila sa inyo.
So the customer interaction is something that is kailangan talaga natin pagdating sa business, right? So ano naman po yung pangarap nyo para dito sa negosyo nyo?
Etong Amadeo, medyo, though admittedly, maliit pa siya. So, hindi na, maliit pa siya on our perspective. So, pwede sa customers namin, malaki na siya. But, since want nga namin is to have more utilities, more, want sana namin siya i-expand. So, right now, ang meron kami ay portable pool. But, sana in the near future, magkaroon na kami ng mainstay na pool or an outdoor jacuzzi. Sana magkaroon na kami. So, anting ipon-ipon pa, but we'll get there. And another thing is sana ma-promote din namin yung awareness when it comes to yung halaman. Since usually, yung mga guests namin na nakakapunta dito from work, yung mga ganon, very plant tita or plant ate makapagsalita. Pero sana nakikita nila yung essence ng nature when it comes to yung customers namin. Kasi pagdating nila dito, nakikita nila, wow, apaka-green. So, it's para siyang fresh air. So, yun sana yung isa pang gusto namin kapag humihingi sila ng halaman, binibigyan namin. Para siyang remembrance in a way.
Yes.
So, sana nakukuha nila yon as an advocacy ng Amadeo Hidden Paradise. And then, another sana is, sana makapag-branch out pa kami or yun naman yung mga pangarap din talaga ng mga businesses is makapag-branch out to create more opportunities. So, isa pa naman yun na pangarap din namin.
Right, that's great. Okay, the one more question before we end our interview today is, ano po yung pwede mong inspiring words na pwedeng ibahagi sa mga audience natin na gusto din magsimula ng ganitong business but at the same time natatakot pa?
Opo. Siguro inspiring words as part of one of the individuals na nagsimula rin po nito. So, I would really pat my back sa aking mommy at saka kay tito who have really worked hard dito sa business na to. Siguro words of advice from someone na medyo bata pa. But I think is never give up on what you see and lahat ng nakikita natin, like from the individual standpoint, may potential siya. So if we put the light in that potential, magkakaroon tayo ng possibility. And yung small things na ginagawa natin, those are all rooms for success. So kahit yung mga small wins natin, dapat hindi na natin siya ini-invalidate. Kahit yung magpatayo ng small kubo, yung unang to example lang din naman. Yung etong kubo namin was made 2 weeks. So, nung time na yun, medyo nag-aalangan na kami. But, we trust the process. So, etong kubo na yan, until now, naka-standby pa rin siya. Wala nang gaano maintenance yan. So, trust the process and just have trust in sa work nyo. Everyone has the potential. So, kapag gugustuhin talaga the resources, gagawan talaga natin yun ng paraan. So, hindi tayo pwedeng pakembot-kembot lang.
Mhm.
Siyempre, we have to work for what we envision for.
Yes, that
Yun.
is
Wala
true.
naman tayong nakukuha na hulog lang ng langit. Siyempre,
Mhm.
with
You
the,
have to
with the,
work hard for
yes,
it.
with the prayers of God na yan, mga ano na, add-ons na lang yan. Pero sa tao pa rin naman ang gawa. So, kailangan nakikita na natin yung kasipagan din natin. So, dun pa lang dapat tayo nagsisimula. And siguro another thing is, dapat naka-mindset na sa atin na ito yung gusto natin.
Mhm.
Na dapat we have a forward goal, forward vision. Though pwedeng naman mag-left turn, right turn, pero nasa tamang daan pa rin dapat yung iniisip natin. Dapat hindi tayo easily shaken up by problems since sa gantong type of negosyo, madami talagang problema. May it be nagsisimula pa lang or kapag in progress na, madaming problema pag nagsisimula ng negosyo and dapat decisive tayo.
Mhm.
Kung dapat forward ba or dapat kailangan muna natin mag-hold back ng konti but still go on forward sa future. Kailangan natin maging um, intact kung ano ba talaga yung passion at saka anong vision natin for the future. So, ayun lang po.
Mhm. Wow, thank you so much for that. So kapag gusto po nila mag-book or stay dito, ano po yung kailangan nilang gawin?
In booking naman po here in Amadeo Hidden Paradise, you can just message us through our Facebook page and we will swiftly respond sa aming messenger. Also, you can contact us through our contact numbers 0969-638-7471 or through our globe number 0956-134-5506. So, yun po.
Thank you so much again, Miss Kate, for having us
Opo.
today to your place. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed itong episode natin, which brings us to Amadeo Hidden Paradise.